Wow, what a great, fun little etude. I really enjoyed playing this. Really just a pretty straightforward forte throughout the whole thing. And one of the trickiest things is coordination of the right arm, the coordination of the bow, remembering when it's slurred and when it's separate. So you kind of have to really pay attention to that part. Otherwise, it should be pretty easy for you to learn. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.